Yeah.
Oh, child.
Come on, crackhead buggy. It really is a crackhead buggy. What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Ladies and fellas in the back, I see y'all. Neek here, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, I know I've been MIA for real. But we're getting back into the groove of things. So today we are going to go look at Valentine's Day decor that they have at Marshall's and I think HomeGoods and probably even Dollar Tree. So I'm excited about that because I need some, you know, Valentine's Day decor or whatever. So that's about to be lit. I'm about to go pick up my mom right now, and then we are going to go check out what they have in stores. I don't know what the freak this weird car is doing, but it's like, what are you doing? Seriously, what are you doing? Y'all, I like waking up and going to the store early, but my mom, she don't really wake up that early. So we're about to be in the store with everybody named mama. So hopefully I can even get some good recording going on. Like, dang, everybody in a freaking housewife mama be at the store on Saturday. That's cute. Is it for indoor or outdoor though? Indoor. That stuff in the front. Oh, pillows is cute. They got those small little candle cups.
Oh,
It is cute. How much is it? $5.99.
oh, girl, I got so many candles. It's ridiculous.
I'm about to go in the back and look for my candles. That's cute. The pillows are cute too. I know, but it's like I don't have nothing in my house purple, and that's my favorite color.
$14.
It ain't that cute for $14.99. Oh, look at the little outfits.
Oh, Mari.
This is cute.
Now that is cute. That needs to be at your house.
Where would I put this?
On your table, it match all your wood stuff you be getting.
Yeah, or the fireplace maybe.
Mm-hmm.
You can put that in the buggy for now. We didn't even went to the back. We already getting stuff.
All this stuff on display, honey. Aw, kissing, boo, love.
I like that one better, and it's the same price, or $10 more.
This could go on your fireplace really good because it's bigger.
All right, we're gonna put this in for now. I like it, but I'm trying to think what I'm gonna do. Is it's huge. I want a pillow for sure. Love is all you need. How cute is it? You want wood in your house? Yeah. Coconut, I know this probably smell good. Oh, this is so cute. A little strawberry.
Oh, that is a strawberry.
Smell good. Coconut. Try it. I think that strawberry is cute, but it's not Valentine's Day, I don't think, for me. We ain't even got to the back yet, Mom.
Oh, look at that.
Don't force it. What is it? Those are cute. Were they $100 each? They're cute. They don't really have Valentine's Day stuff out here for real. I said they don't really got Valentine's Day stuff out for real, like you said. Yeah, you might have to just go to HomeGoods. They supposed to drape over the, like say if you put it on the fireplace or a shelf and hang over. People put them in the bathroom mostly. But these are cute though, Mom. This is a cute pillow for St. Patrick's Day, but I ain't gonna put no St. Patrick's Day decorations out. That is cute. Ew. That one nasty with not no tissues in it. Come on, crackhead buggy. It really is a crackhead buggy. HomeGoods, y'all gotta do better than this. And they outside cold. Alright, let go. such a struggle. Oh, those are book holders. You put the books in between and set them together. It's so cute. It's nice, heavy. It's cute. Yeah. I'm trying to think of what is your stuff. Gold, silver? It's like maroon. Like this one is cute. Yeah, the crystal one. Oh, let's see the Valentine stuff. If they have it. The Buggy Cole and this crackhead. And what? They don't care about it this year. Little Valentine's Day. The little cookie stuff, that's about it.
Yep, I will. Again.
Little cutting board. It's cute. $20. So heavy, bro. Let me put it down if I break it. Okay, let me walk away. But yeah, ain't really much here. Let's look. Oh, they got stuff in the front over there.
Cute.
Is that a Easter bunny? Oh, look, an Easter bunny almost. Small. It is cute. Yeah. We done. Alright. It'll be alright. Let it hang. There it is. That is cute. Where would we put it? In the basement. That'd be cute in the basement. Yeah, it's like a barrel. It's a $400 for this.
Just for that?
Just for this itself. And then it's no, it's 400 altogether.
Wow, it's just so unique.
It is cute. Smaller version of the other one. It's cute, but whatever. Don't even say. Oh, $12.99.
Cute.
Yeah, not much Valentine's Day stuff. They got a little candy jar. But I'm always getting candy jar. I don't need none of that. Yeah. We could probably check the next aisle, but that's about it here. That white mirror is cute, but so... What's the point?
Huh?
That white mirror. She's on her heels. She sings it all the time. I guess not. These little trays is cute. Dinner trays.
Got the little charger.
Oh, it got a charger on it?
Oh, maybe that's just... Oh, it light up.
Something plug in. Those are nice for $59.99. This is the one we always came to. This one I got the Santa boots from, remember? Yeah. Yeah, they always got some. See, like, so we would get the real looking flowers like this for your vase and then just put that acrylic, it's like acrylic glue, and they'd stay in place and look like that one you saw at Marshall's. And they already 30% off. I like to see that. What color would I like? Purple or all flowers? Which one you like, Mom? You know purple my color, but then again, that's not Valentine's Day. That red and pink was giving Valentine's. We have to see the price.
That's even cute to me.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We could always just put some Easter eggs in there that we get from Dollar Tree. Just slide them in there. You know the Easter eggs that come with the sticks? on the stick, the fake ones. You can make it. Oh, I'm gonna act like we can't DIY. We could DIY. But I'm going with this one. She may get the same one. They don't really have a lot of Valentine's Day decor stuff in store right now. They ain't celebrating love like that this year. I don't know.
Hello.
Oh, for your island? Yeah, that'd be cute. If we could find something. I don't even see no mats.
I'm gonna put that out in the summer.
Hello, spring. Is this not even spring yet though? It's coming. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the store. Oh, we hit up Dollar Tree too. I got some stuff from there. So yeah, let's get into this little haul. So the first thing I have to show y'all that I love is this sign that we did get from Marshall's. The one thing they actually had. This is really cute. I'm thinking about putting this outside on a like pedestal thing. I'm gonna put everything together and do a whole video and show y'all how I do my decor. But yeah, this side is super cute. And to pair with that, to go outside, I'm gonna put this on the front door. And this is really cute because I can use this for Easter, and I can get some of those Easter eggs that they have on a stick and they be having at Dollar Tree. I can stick them in here, so I can use this for Easter as well. So this was originally $60, but I got it 30% off, and it was $40, but I was thinking it was gonna be like $30, $20, but I guess I was wrong. But anyways, I just couldn't leave it. It was super cute. And it's on a garage door. I got this from Dollar Tree. And I got this other cute little sign that you can hang up. Well, I'm gonna hang it on my bedroom door because I have like a little reef hanger up there. Then I got these little napkins. I'm gonna put these in the guest bathroom. I got these from Dollar Tree. They always have like the holiday napkins there. I always make sure I grab some from there. And then I got this cute pillow. Now, I did not get this from HomeGoods, did I? No, I didn't. So why is it in the HomeGoods bag? I for sure got this from Marshall's. I don't know why it's in the HomeGoods bag, but yeah, this is cute. Yeah, it even say Marshall's. I knew I did. So this was $24.99. It has XOXO. I thought this was cute. And then it's long because I got that long side of the couch over there. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I put everything together. That's all I really have right now for Valentine's Day stuff, because like I said, they didn't really have much in stores. I may try Big Lots next week with my mom, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this little haul. I hope you have a great day and stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video, boo. Bye. Mwah.